Now in this video, let us see how to find LCM of three numbers so that this concept will be clear. For that, let us take an example of 6, 8 and 15. First we will write down the factorization form of 6, 8 and 15. So 6 can be written as 2 into 3 or 8 can be written as 2 cube. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Now we will list all the prime factors 2, 3, 5. Then the next step is raise to the highest power. 2 cube, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. Now multiply them to get LCM. What is LCM here? 120. 15 into 8, 120. So this is the LCM of 6, 8 and 15.